Hello everybody, I'm Greenie and today I'm going to unbox a Yamaha keyboard piano. Now this one is the PSS E30. It's very small, it's for children. Are you ready? Alright. This is going to be fun. Uh-oh. Alright. So there's a manual. There's a charging cord. That's important. A little charging cord. It's a USB charging cord. So you don't have to use batteries. And the piano. Oh, got dirty. Okay. So you can even put batteries. It's a normal trip. I think AA batteries. 4 of them. Or we could put the USB wire that came with this and plug the USB end into a USB charger. So I can use my Samsung phone charger for this. And then I'm going to turn it on. Ready? There we go. Cool. Now we're going to learn how to play the piano, but first, so that we can describe what key we're going to use, I'm going to mark on the keyboard with 3 or 4 whiteboard marker pens. Okay, so these are erasable. Okay, let me show you. I'll start with, oh, this is also packed. Alright, here we go. I'll start with green, and just to show you that it's erasable, so if I make a mark, I can get a tissue paper and wipe it off. Okay, so I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's hard to see 5 upside down. 5, 6, and 7 in green. Then I'm going to take another color. Let's take blue and start again from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and then one last time, I'm going to try with the red color and start from 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in the end, there'll be 1 left, and I'll just use my black and say 1. Awesome. So now I have 3 sets of 7s. In music, those are called octaves. Or and so this is very similar to this. It's very similar to this. Just it's on a higher key. So this is the green one, blue one, red one. green 2, blue 2, red 2, green 3, blue 3, red 3, green 4, blue 4, red 4, green 5, blue 5, red 5, green 6, blue 6, red 6, green 7, blue 7, red 7. So this will help us to learn to play music. The next videos, I'll show you what I mean by demonstrating some small, easy to play music pieces. Thank you. Hope you liked it.